In order to share your Notability note with students so that they can view the step-by-step, you would select your note in Notability. You want to, in the left-hand side, press the Send To button and send it to Google Drive. You can share it with whatever folder you want, your specific Google Classroom folder, whatever. The important thing, the second box, the format, you need to select Note as the format. That's how it can actually record your video and audio. Once you send that to Google Drive, you should see that file in Drive. You can then import it into your Google Classroom so that the students can go ahead and get that file from Classroom. When they open the file in Classroom, you'll see that it says unsupported file type. You need to select the triple dots over in the corner to open in Notability. So it sends it to Notability. You need to go back to Notability to open that file, which is right here. For your students to view the video as you did it, they need to select the drop-down caret right next to the video recording part right over there, and then press the play button. It'll play through the recording.